Ever feel like your brain's just fried? You're foggy, distracted, and can't focus on anything. You're not alone. Research shows our modern world, the constant notifications, multitasking, stress, is overloading our brains. A 2021 study from the University of California found that distractions can shrink your attention span and tank your cognitive performance. But don't worry, I've got 5 science backed tips to fix it, boost your brain power, and help you stay present. So let's dive in. First up, single task like a pro. Multitasking feels productive, but a Stanford study found it slashes your efficiency and fries your focus. Your brain just isn't built for it. So starting tomorrow, pick one task, say writing an email, and give it your full attention for the whole time you're doing it. No phone, no tabs. You'll finish faster and feel sharper. Staying in the present moment. That's the secret sauce. Tip 2, take a brain break outside. Research from the University of Michigan shows just 10 minutes in nature can cut mental fatigue and boost memory by 20%. Tomorrow, step outside during lunch. No podcast, no scrolling, just breathe and look around. It resets your brain and pulls you back to the now. Trust me, your headspace will thank you. Number 3, cut the doom scroll. A 2022 study in Nature Communications linked excessive screen time to worse attention and mood. You've heard all this stuff about screen time already. So tomorrow night, set a hard stop, say like 9 p.m., and put your phone down. Replace it with something chill like reading a book or stretching. Less digital noise means a clearer, more present mind. Tip 4, train your brain with mindfulness. A study from Harvard found 8 weeks of mindfulness practice thickens your prefrontal cortex, the part that controls focus and decision making. So, don't have 8 weeks? Then just start small. Tonight, try a 5-minute breathing exercise. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. It's not instant, but it builds mental muscle over time and keeps you grounded in the moment. Last one, feed your brain right. Research from the Journal of Neuroscience shows omega-3s, like in fish or walnuts, improves cognitive performance, and it fights brain fog. So tomorrow, just toss in some walnuts into your breakfast or snack. Pair it with hydration. Dehydration shrinks your brain's gray matter, per a 2018 study. So water and good fats. That's a quick win for clarity and presence. So there you go. 5 ways to unfry your brain and show up sharper tomorrow. Single task, step outside, ditch the scroll, practice mindfulness, and fuel up smart. Which one of these things are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I'm always ready to listen. I hope this helps. Smash the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.